Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have our 2018 Kia Soul. And we're going to go over how you'd replace these two lights, which these are side marker lights. You're going to see 4 screws that you're going to need to remove. These are just a P2 screw. Okay, so we've got the screws removed, and you'll be able to remove this whole thing. They're going to have some pins on this side, so you just want to kind of get your fingers under and just put some pressure on it and pull it straight out. And now there's just an electric connector back here that you're going to squeeze. Squeeze this tab here and pull it away, and then that way you can remove the whole thing so that you can go through the process of replacing all the lights that are inside here. So twist this a quarter turn to the left and be able to just pull that out and get your new bulb and put it in. This bulb and this bulb, they're both side marker bulbs, so they are the same concepts and the same number of bulb. Same thing here, pull it out, pull the bulb out to be able to be replaced, and then just take and push it back in. And this bulb here for your side marker light would be a 168. It's just a 168 light bulb that you would put in there and then be able to screw that back in. And so that's how you'd replace your 2 side marker lights. See, these right here are the tabs that were holding it in on this side that you needed to hold a little bit more or apply some pressure to pull it out. Right, so you would connect this electric back up if you're replacing just the housing because it's cracked or broken for any reason. And then you just line up the little tabs there. Apply some pressure, push it in, install your 4 screws. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.